You know what smells better than overpriced candle gift sets and store-bought lotions? Gifts you made yourself, with love, intention, and a little help from lavender and lemon. Today, I'm showing you how to whip up essential oil-infused gifts for every occasion, from birthdays to just because I love you. And well, your house could use a spritz. Essential oils are more than just drops in a bottle. They're memory makers. Every scent tells a story, so why not tell yours? Here are a few favorites. DIY linen spray for the friend who dreams of spa days. Roll-on blends that are like pocket-sized calm in peppermint and peace, and bath salt jars, because soaking and scripture pair surprisingly well. Oh, and don't forget to add a handwritten tag with a Bible verse or affirmation for that extra heart. For a calming gift, try lavender, frankincense, and chamomile. For energy and clarity, lemon, grapefruit, and rosemary. And for a thinking of you moment, sweet orange and vanilla are like sunshine in a bottle. I once gave my mom a peace roller that she now calls her no-nonsense blend, because apparently peace gets applied liberally before family gatherings. Every drop you blend is a message. I thought of you. I slowed down. I created something real. Whether it's a birthday, a baby shower, or a moment of care, you're gifting more than scent. You're gifting presence. If this gave you some sweet-smelling inspiration, give it a thumbs up. Drop your favorite giftable blend in the comments. I might feature it next. And don't forget to subscribe for more DIYs where oils meet creativity, care, and purpose.